Hey everyone, Berserk Noobs is here today to finally review this guy, which is supposed to be released last year, but it keeps on getting postponed. But he is finally here, the last Straw Hat pirate. But I'm not sure whoever they get in the New World. But it is Armored Franky, and it is from POP Sailing Again Maximum, but it's still a Sailing Again Franky. But as you can see, the back there, it looks like a racing flag, blue, and it has like metallic motif here with nails and stuff. Looks like a ship. But yeah, and that BF-37 that's on Franky's shoulder, and a bunch of stuff he can do. I think this is what made him a maximum, at least. It's ridiculously big. So yeah, the top of the box freaking wide. The bottom, not much other than Armored Franky on there. Enough about that. Let's talk about this huge guy here. Yeah. So there's just a lot of stuff you can do with him. But yeah. Alright, so let's talk about the face. Really looks like Franky. So it's kind of it's definitely not standing on its own. He is very top heavy, ridiculously top heavy. Yeah. So let's remove these glasses first for a bit. Let's talk about the eyes. The usual Franky eyes with those eyelashes going on there. His mouth is well done. Yeah. Little dots on the hair, kind of showing that it's all shaved, but there's still a little bit of hair there. Okay. The scar on his arm, where he just attached another group of arms, and his super ripped body, and yeah, his speedos, the shiny paint. The musculature is pretty good. Hairy legs. Yeah. Yeah, hairy legs there. His Hawaiian shirt looks like he's headless, but yeah, that's pretty good. You can still feel the trees, but yeah. Let's talk about the arm here, because this has a lot of stuff in it. So yeah, I like this shine here. It's shiny. You can even see my hand there, and probably me, but you can see this is the only one that opens, because it has a hammer in there. Stars, well done. Wow, it's all spilling. Okay, let me just open this real quick. For some reason it didn't stay on. But there's a bunch of stuff in there. which Megahouse didn't instruct us on how to put them. It's just like you figure it out. It's easy to figure out though, so it's not a big deal. Oh, but yeah, that one decided to hide. Oh, oh well. But yeah, it would just fit whatever fits like so. Yeah, actually you have to make it go in so you won't have problems later, like so. You put this in here. Okay, but the problem is, how will I get that other one out of there? Hold on, let me get it out of there. Oops, sorry. Oops, there you go. Yeah, so we just put this one in. Make sure that it's secure because will just fall all over the place. But yeah, there's his gadget for carpentry. So yeah, this hand comes off, both do, but the reason why this one has something else going on in it. You can, yeah, make it pop like that first, and there's this thing, but I don't know how you can pose it like this. There's chain in there. This is real chain, but yeah, has a fire going on, but yeah, it's really doesn't, I don't know. Unless he's a Figma, then he can probably pull this off, but that's what's gonna happen. But yeah. The other hand, this hand, actually can be removed. There's two parts. There's one that it can look like a clenched fist. This one is the thumbs up. Hold on. His arms are very easy to remove. Makes the clicking sound as you, and these are the joints here. You can move, hyperextend to the other side, and it's about kind of a ball joint there, and and that's where you're putting the missiles. To do so, is there's a gap there, open it up and you're well to go. Okay, let's take the other arm off. So to put this back in, you just do that. Hold on, just decided to be jamming. How the heck did it end up in there? Okay, hold on. There you go. And just do it like so. It's back in. But this one's the same thing. As you know, this thing just came with a bunch of stuff. So it has a crab head. You can pick faces, which goes in there. But it will just stay. I'll just keep these stuff in here. These is soft. But yeah, this is what no, yeah, the default is that face, but it's with this his original hairstyle. Yeah, his waist do have some. He has a waist joint there. Okay, you can, to remove the coats, you have to remove that. Careful with that stuff. Right there, because that's pretty small. But let's make sure that's okay. And yeah, it has a bunch of pegs there. And okay. Okay. Just take off that jacket for now. And yeah, take these things out. So yeah, there's his huge body. So he comes with a really insane accessory. I don't know, I'm not really a big fan of so many accessories, but he has an headphone. Probably goes this way with all the hair and stuff. And you put that goggle on, which obviously you have to put the goggle on before you put the headphone. But yeah, the goggles is a lot easier to put in than the default glasses. But combining the both of these is not an easy task. But you got the idea. But yeah. But right now I'm not displaying him like this, so oh well. There's that. And there is the default glasses. Rockets. Both of two of them. So let's try to put them on. I never put them on. I just got this. But we'll do it for the review. And simple enough. Here's another one. And two cannon guns for here, I think. Okay, so okay, let's put it there. It's still kind of new, so it doesn't go in as easy, but it does move a little bit. So yeah, if you so please want it like that, put the skin back on, and then you put the this stuff back on. Alright. Okay. Now that that's back on. Okay, this has a shape there that you just have to put it in. As you can see, there's that. If you guys are planning to buy Franky, this is definitely the least of my favorite straw hat though. But damn it, it's really heavy. Yeah, it comes with a hand like this, and you can hold tools like this. Oops. Oops, nope. This is actually the correct one. Okay. Let's put that on. You can also open this up if this decides to cooperate. But for now, let's not deal with it. It's not cooperating. But yeah. I don't know. You're gonna pose him with that. And here's the one I'm talking about. So you can remove this and put this instead. Now you have a clenched fist. But currently using thumbs up. Everyone has a thumbs up in my group. But another couple of hands, and then the other hand. So if you can want to put this again, so yeah, just jam it in there and it is gonna be okay. So yeah, there's that with everything on. If those are, you guys are fans of this, whoops. Okay. So let me just see what's going on here. This thing is, this doesn't, ow. Yeah, because this thing opens, but I'm having a hard time opening it. Because there's that stuff. But oh well. Let me just try. I don't know, it's been, I think it's closed for a long time that got stuck in there. Oops. Now I just put it back in again. It's about to come out, and there you go. Really painted well there. So you can just put a hand, whatever hand you want to do, and you can do this pose. Oh, you know what? Forget. But yeah, Canon. But I'm not dealing with that pose. So yeah, this is a great, very good figure. But yeah, but you just really have to pick what you want him to do. It's just so much to deal with. So we just have, but for me, I'll just keep it simple. Oops. Yeah, the skin is really for one side only. It doesn't fit on the other side because of the angle and stuff, but you'll figure that out. Yeah. This thing is made out of soft plastic. But yeah, this guy is the one that completes the set for now. If somebody joins, if people's prophecy is such as Rebecca joining, then wonderful. We need more Straw Hat Pirates. But it's not gonna be as expensive as this guy. This guy is ridiculous. I mean, he just joins huge with Kuma in them. But yeah, I just jammed the glasses in there like so. It stays there quite okay. So yeah. Okay, let me just fold this. So yeah, I'd rate this figure 10 out of 10 for Franky. It's because it's really spot on. It's not because I don't like this character that I would rate it low, but the figure itself is definitely good. So yeah. Yeah, really good representation of Franky. If you wanna do Punk Hazard, then yeah. But yeah, that's it for Franky. It's been a long review since there's just a bunch of stuff. So rate, comment, and subscribe as always. And I am signing out.